In this video we want to talk about saving documents in LibreOffice. It's a very important method because if you work on a project and you don't save or you lose your work, everything is gone. So it's not a very good solution to not have a good backup. We want to talk today about simple methods like save, save as, save a copy, save all, and so on. But also we want to talk about a very nice extension that is helping in your project. And 10 months ago we had a nice improvement on that extension. So we'll talk today about everything. So first, let's talk about a tool here in Tools, Options, LibreOffice Path. For example, instead of this configuration for backup, let's change to be the desktop backup folder. Okay. So now, for example, when I'm opening this file and I'm saving, you can see in the backup folder, LibreOffice is saving a copy of this desktop file. So this is what is happening when we press save. So you can see if I press save or Ctrl S or click here, a copy is made here. What is happening if I press on save as? Or we have this shortcut Shift Ctrl S. For example, let's write AA and let's press save as AA on the desktop. Save. Let's close and let's open the A document. So it's unchanged, and the AA document, it's a modified document. So what is doing? Save as is taking a copy of your document at the moment with what was saved before, and it's saving with another name in another location and so on. So you can change here. You can click on downloads or with backup you can change the location, and also you can change the name. So this is save as. Save remote can save your document, for example, in Google Drive, OneDrive, and so on. You have to enter your data, and when you save, the document will be saved on that network. And now let's talk about what is doing file save a copy. So for example, if I'm writing here a paragraph and I go to file save a copy as a copy 1, save. If I'm opening that file, it contains one paragraph. Let's write a second paragraph. Again, you can see I have two paragraphs, and again save a copy, a copy 2. Again, let's open copy 1. It's having one paragraph. Let's open copy 2, two paragraph. So what is happening? I'm working in file A, but from time to time I'm making copies of my work. So this is save a copy. Now if I'm opening also the B file and editing something and open the A file, already open here and I made a change. If I go to save all, you can see A and B were saved. So this is what is doing save all. So save is saving the current document. Save as, it's an option for you to change the name of the file, the location for the file. Save a copy is making a copy of your work and closing that file. You are not working on that copy, you are working on the original, but you save just a copy of your work just in case. And save all the work you have done in all the files. Now let's talk about an extension. So on this website, extensions LibreOffice, we have a timestamp backup with shortcut key. So let's download. This is an extension which we need to open with LibreOffice. Let's close this. So let's open the extension. Okay, accept, close, restart. And now we have this new icon here. And what is doing? Let's open the A file again. So now let's remove the text. Let's insert some text and let's press that copy. You can see I have the name of the file here in the backup folder. So remember, I changed that from paths, backups. So here I mentioned this folder. So it's very similar with file save a copy, with the difference that I don't need to get a name. I have the name of my file, and also I have the timestamp of my file, of the save moment. A nice improvement on this extension is that we can use a shortcut. Instead of pressing this one, I can work and I can press Ctrl-Shift-T. You can see I have another copy, and again and again and again I just press Ctrl-Shift-T. So it's a very nice feature you can use in LibreOffice. In the case something is wrong, you get a crash in your document and you lose your project, you have copies from moments ago and you can work from there. For example, let's write here more paragraph. Let's suppose we made a copy at that moment. Let's suppose we crash, we lose everything, so our document is gone. You can see it's an empty document. If I open the document, it's gone. But I have a copy before, and if I open, I have the document the moment we saved before. I hope this video will help you in working on projects and saving and not losing your work. Also, you have a lot of options here in LibreOffice: load, save, general. You can mention how often the document to save. If you want to edit properties, to create automatic backup, and so on. So it's very useful to set up that thing. Also, it's very useful to have that extension and to use it, and to have a backup folder somewhere where you know the place and you know that you can find your documents that you needed. If you want privacy, very easy. Select everything, delete, and now you have no backup, no copy, no document left on your computer, just what I have on desktop. If I'm saving, I have another copy again in that folder. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.